Having found a measure of success in trade upon my native soil, my Scottish spirit took to wandering of the vast lands across the Atlantic, and what harvests might be drawn therefrom. In the year of our Lord, 1872, my loyal secretary, Mr. C. Edwards, and I journeyed by rail to the open plains of western Kansas. There, beneath the setting sun, we beheld a sight most fair. Prairies rich and endless, stretching far as the eye could ken. The dreams that had stirred in me ere I left the shores of Britain now took on the form of purpose. I set my heart upon building a settlement, a colony for men of good standing and like intent, where we might labour together to forge an agrarian life in yon western wilds. The land, with its gentle hills and abundance of grama grass, seemed fitting indeed for the breeding of fine cattle, sturdy sheep, and noble horses. With careful thought and no small expense, I laid claim to some 70,000 acres in Ellis County, Kansas. There I founded the settlement of Victoria, calling my venture the Victoria Estate. A proper prospectus was penned and sent forth in my name, setting down the quality of men and the measure of coin required to make such a venture thrive and raise a society worthy of its name. Among the cargo brought to the New World were 4 bulls of the pure Angus breed, stock near unknown in America, yet prized above all others in the markets of London. Black-palled and full of vigour, I judged them well suited to sire sturdy calves from the hardy but lanky longhorn cows that roamed the southern ranges. Though I met an untimely end and did not see the fullness of my hopes made manifest, the Angus breed did take root. Since the year 1873, their influence hath spread far and wide, changing the face of cattle rearing in this land. What was once a scattered and roughshod trade is now the foremost purveyor of fine beef in all the world.